Okay, what we're looking at here is some code I modified recently, and as you can see by my comments here, original code was written by Rich Gilrick, and I converted this, so instead of reading actual GIF files, we can convert them to data statements and read the file that way. Now, the benefit of this is mostly in using it with the BAM, Basic Anywhere Machine. And that's because BAM doesn't fully support reading files locally. So there's not an easy way to get your graphic files into BAM. So this solves that problem, or to a certain extent. So I'm going to demonstrate how it works. So if we look throughout the program, there's a lot of code. It does decode actual GIF files. So we can see here, instead of an actual file, I've converted this into data statements. And we can do this. There's a variety of programs that do it, but I have also written my own program. And you can use this to convert binary files to source code for any of these languages. These are the ones I use most often here. So I'm going to demonstrate, and let's just, I'm going to pick this file. And if we select what language, in this case it's basic, so we just leave it at that. And let's increase the lines here, the amount of items per line to 20, and hit import. And there we go. There's the whole file converted to data statements. You can hit copy to clipboard. And I'm going to come back here, and I'm going to get rid of the previous data statements that I had, and just paste the new ones. So we can see these are 20 items per line. So we can see that there was a change. But let's copy the whole thing and paste it into the Basic Anywhere Machine IDE. And where's my Chrome? There's my Chrome. And I'm just going to hit Shift Insert, and that pastes the whole thing. Now, I work mainly in VS Code. I don't use the BAM IDE. It's a little clunky for me. It doesn't provide all the VS Code features, but this is an easy way for anybody to experience Basic Anywhere Machine without having to install anything. So we're just going to go to Project and hit Run, and we can see that it printed, not printed, but displayed our image. And just to prove that it actually works, I'm going to jump to Graphics 2, which is the image editing program I'm using at the moment. And here's the image. Let's just change things up a bit. Let's change the colors. Let's draw some other shape here now. Choose another color. And let's just save this. We'll save it under the same name. Yes, erase the old file. And if we come looking at our folder, we can see that the preview image here is got the updated image. Let's minimize that. Go back into our converter, and I'm going to reselect the same thing again. Hit import. Now, because I have clear on import, it clears the previous one, but we could also, let's just change the line items again so that we can see the changes. Copy to clipboard and come back to our VS Code editor. And put the updated image. Control A to select all, and Control C to copy. And back to Chrome. And let's just hit New and paste the updated code. And there we go. So we have the updated image now with the two new circles there. And so that this is an easy way for you to use any of your preferred image editors. As long as you can save it in GIF format, you should be able to convert it. You can use your own converter, or if you need to use a converter, you can use mine. I'll put links in the description. Everything is on GitHub, all the source code. It's all free. You don't have to pay anything. Use it as you want. No restrictions.